sweet tooth. I had a sweet tooth, guys. So I went on and made one of these yellow cakes.
Then get up, get dressed.
This is a yellow cake, but it's 0 sugar. And, oh my goodness. I'm going to use this type of icing. Usually I use 0 sugar icing. Let me see if I got any. I can't believe I grabbed that. Yes. Okay. So what I'm going to do is do half and half. I thought this was 0 sugar icing. It's not. It's cream cheese. I love cream cheese icing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do half and half. I'm going to have the best of both worlds, guys. I am going to icing this cake. And my Bigfoot son, every time I get ready to bake, here he comes stomping through the kitchen. So it's not the evenness of cakes, but you know what? I don't care. I bet you would go down the same way. So I am going to just put a layer of this on here. And the way I'm thinking about doing it, this is going to be the best of both worlds. So this is going to be cream cheese on the bottom. I hope I ain't messing up, because I'm going to put chocolate on the top. I'm going to put chocolate on the top, cream cheese on the bottom. It may be good, it may not, but I am about to do it. Man, I thought this was 0 sugar. Oh well. Okay, so that's the bottom. Got the bottom icing. All right, guys, this is 0 sugar. Okay, look at that. That's 0 sugar. So on the top cake, I'm gonna put the 0 sugar icing. So this is be our dessert for tonight, and I am making steak tacos. So guys, yeah, I went shopping today and found some nice mirrors on sale at Walmart. The tall mirrors, $7. $7. Y'all gotta go back and check out my videos. I love being in the house, doing a lot of straightening up and things of that nature. I haven't had to do my hair because my hair is in crochet braids, as y'all see. So I haven't had to do that, but so much other stuff is getting done. I know y'all like, Miss Regina, where's the hair videos? Well, I left y'all with enough that by me taking a break, because that's all I'm doing, is taking a break, letting it grow, so when I cut it again, it'll be in a longer version of the style I have already cut. So that's why I said, okay, just go ahead and put it up. And every time I take it down, I'm going to see how much it grows. It has grown. And then I cut off the bad ends. I just clip my ends into my style, you know. And that's how I've been doing it. I did not do no big chop, you know. You don't have to do a big chop every time, guys. So, This is not the prettiest, but like I said, I bet you my family ain't gonna care. My family is not gonna care. Only thing they're gonna say is, where's the milk? That's all they're gonna say. My husband gonna be like, babe, I thought we was leaving sweets alone. Why you bake a cake? I just been having a sweet tooth lately, you know. You can't forget to live. Been having a sweet tooth. Oop, there go my steak. So I'm gonna cut that steak up. Cut some tomatoes and lettuce up. And instead of tacos, really what it's gonna be is steak burritos. Had that onion in there, all them different 5 cheeses in there. Wrap that sucker up like a gift, and it's just gonna be full of steak and cheese and onions. And some diced tomatoes. My family like diced tomatoes too. So, like I said, this is not the prettiest cake, but it ain't the ugliest either. But I bet you it's going to be delicious. Now, this is a chocolate. Now, this is a chocolate cake. Chocolate fudge and cream cheese vanilla cake. Because the cake itself is, you know, yellow. So, yeah. Yellow cake with chocolate icing and cream cheese icing. So, I bet you that sucker gonna be delicious. I baked the ugly cake, but so. All right, guys, I wasn't gonna cut this cake, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. This is what the cake looked like. Okay, like I said, it ain't pretty, but hey, it don't have to be. I bet you get eaten. So, this is what the cake looked like, guys. I am going to cut it. Ooh, I'm just going to cut it. I shouldn't be doing this because I haven't eaten my burrito yet. I like to put some little indication markers on it, just so my family will know, you know, where to cut it at. Especially my son. So this is what it's looking like. Okay? That's what it's looking like. Let me get something so I can taste it. So let's see how it's going to taste. Let's see how this is going to taste. Amen. I like it. I like it. And I'm going to tell y'all, if y'all trying to cut down on sugar or lose weight but still got a sweet tooth, this is just one of the things I do. I get the 0 calorie cake mix, well, the 0 sugar cake mix by Pillsbury, and I get the 0 icing. If you was to bake this for your family and didn't tell them 0 sugar, they would not know. So, I can tell you right now, it's good. It's good. It is good. So, I'm about to get out of here. Go watch me some TV. Go enjoy my little cake. Later on, make my little steak burrito because the steak is done. But thanks for coming by, spending this time with me, guys. Hit that like button, share, subscribe button, and notification bell. And try to make you one of these zero sugar cakes. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. This is so good.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do?